In this video, I'm going to show you how to use AI to help you color correct in Adobe Premiere. Hi and welcome back to DIY Film with Merle Becker, the channel where I help you make better videos. As always, stick around to the end of the video for a bonus tip. Alright, so here's a quick AI tool in Premiere that'll make your footage look way better and it'll save you time. So let's go. I'm working in Premiere version 23.2.0, so if yours is older or newer, it might look slightly different. Alright, most people don't learn how to color correct until they've been editing for a while, and that's fine. Luckily, Adobe understands this and gives you a tool within the Lumetri color panel that'll help you color correct your footage without knowing a whole lot about the process. To access it, do the following. First, put a clip in your timeline. Here's mine. Park your playhead on your clip. To color correct in Premiere, you would use the Lumetri Color tab. If yours isn't open, go to Window and Lumetri Color. Now you're ready to do some auto color correcting. Mind you, this process isn't perfect, but if you need a little help or just a head start when it comes to fixing your color, hit this auto button here. And Premiere will use some AI to do some basic adjustments. Here in my example, it darkened the blacks, and the clip is looking a little better in my opinion. Next, once you hit that auto button and do a basic adjustment, you can also adjust the amount of color correction by using the intensity slider here. And to see what your clip looks like with and without Lumetri color effect, you can toggle it on and off by hitting FX here in the Effects Controls tab. And lastly, if you don't like it or want to start over, you can delete it completely by selecting it in the Effect Controls tab and hitting delete. Easy peasy. So if you don't have a lot of experience with color correction or you just want to get some basic fixes done quickly, use Premiere's AI Auto feature in the Lumetri Color tab. Alright, let's do that tip. So once you're comfortable with doing basic editing in Premiere, I highly encourage you to learn the basics of color correction. It's really not that hard, and even though the autocorrect does a decent job for basic fixes, your footage could look even better than that if you just understood what each Lumetri scope and slider does and how it can help you achieve the look you're going for. The Lumetri color panel has some really powerful tools at your disposal, and understanding how to use them will elevate your videos. I'll put a link to my intro to color correction video in Premiere in the description. Alright, as always, if you found any of this to be helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you know when the next one is posted, and I will catch you next time.